These mechanic tool sets make great gifts. With a price range of between $30 and over $400, you can find a mechanic's tool set that will fit your gift budget. Here's a quick look at the $320 option.
Oh, look at that.
This mechanic's tool set comes in a nice case with slide-out drawers and a locking top. With a large variety of different sizes of sockets and wrenches, this mechanic's tool set has a size for just about any job. Any of the cheaper options still make good gifts, as they can be used to replace old and worn-out tools. One unique gift idea would be this micro driver set. It only requires 6 degrees to loosen fasteners. It can also be used in a wide variety of different applications. With a price tag of only $27, it's an affordable gift idea.